and Furballs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Come get ready with me today as I do this basic get ready with me look. It's so simple and easy for beginners. You guys, stay tuned. So here I'm just filling in my eyebrows with the ColourPop light brown pencil. I'm not really trying to put an arch or anything because I will be wearing bangs, but I'm just trying to fill it in just to give myself a full brow. I'm not doing a dramatic eyebrow. Like I said before, I am having bangs, so majority of it will be covered, and I will be doing a basic look. Here I'm taking my ColourPop concealer in Fair and just applying it all over my lid to make my lid one color. And I will be using my Miss Exposed palette from my line. I will put the link below so you guys can purchase and support my small business. So here I'm just applying this purple shade to my crease, and then I will go in with a beige and just blend it all out. You guys, I love this liner. It is from shopmissa.com. It is her AOA skinny liner, and I love it. I broke it, so that's why it looks so tiny, but yes, it is thebomb.com. It dries down very matte and is very easy to apply. Here I am just applying my mascara to straighten out my lashes a little bit so that when I do put on my falsies, it's easy for me to apply them and they go right on. Otherwise, my lashes will curl up. Here I'm using the Tachata face primer, and I really like this product. It makes my skin very smooth underneath my foundation. Typically, I don't show this in my video, but what I am doing is I am concealing my dark spots on my chin area for my PCOS before I put on my foundation. I don't know about y'all, but if y'all don't have the Instapop Real Techniques foundation brush, it is amazing. Get you one. I like to conceal my under eye bags with my ColourPop foundation. It is very full coverage and I love it. The only reason why I use it as a concealer and not as a full face foundation is because they don't really have my shade, and I really like the full coverage, and it covers my freckles whenever I want them to be concealed. So whenever I'm doing a basic face, I really like to over highlight my under eye area just because I have no pizzazz in the eyes. So I like to over highlight my under eye. I didn't show it in the video, but to wipe away the setting powder, I take my face powder from Maybelline, I believe in the shade 310. And I just wipe away the setting powder with my skin tone face powder, which also prevents flashback as well. After I contour, I like to go in and highlight my jawbone, but I wipe that away immediately because I do not want that powder to set on my chin area. And if you have not tried Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighters, they are amazing. They're one of the most pigmented drugstore highlighters I've ever seen. Here I'm going in with my KMarie lip kit, which is also on my site, and it is my favorite lip combo. Guys, I can't stress this enough. When you are done with your face, go back and brush your eyebrows up and forward just to give it a natural look. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys have a fluffy day.